So what
You said?
interpret your system as if you are presenting it to
Okay. Or are you saying I should delete one and do it? Just one.
no, communicate it. We are not after how you got it, but just tell us if you are to present this to a non-technical person, how will you present it?
Hi. Okay. Mm, okay. This is a Vlookup analysis. So just like we said in the class, we picked other ID because it has a unique list, as in no repeated items. So that's why we picked it, and we made it to be in column 1. So from that, we have to validate it as our reference point to avoid maybe typo error. If the user is trying to type out maybe the ID to look up for, instead of typing, we have to validate the cell. So, and to do that, we went to data, then under data, we went to tools. We went to, excuse me. Okay. Under data, we went to data tools, then we went to data validation. So, should I show the steps?
I said before
So,
that,
yeah.
I told you before that, assume you are presenting to a non-technical person.
Okay,
Somebody,
that I'm teaching or presenting. I'm teaching or presenting.
so I don't want teaching. What I want is, supposing you design this for a company and you want to explain
Oh,
how it works before you sell it to them.
okay, okay, okay.
The
So just
problem
like
is
I was,
designed, the problem is designed to solve for them. Those are the things we want to hear, how they can go about it.
okay, okay. So just like I said before, we use the other ID because it has a unique value or to no repeated values. So here, the aim is once they want to search for any other ID, anyone they pick is going to supply every other details that they need instead of going to the data frame or data set to start looking for maybe once you pick this other ID now, you now want to know the country or the total revenue or the total cost. So instead of doing that, you just come here, pick any of the other ID and all other information you need will pop up using the VLOOKUP analysis. So that's the essence of this. Is it okay?
All right, so that is a good one, but it's like you have not tested the communication, because when you change that ID, I notice nothing changes across other.
Ah, hold on. Let me do it again. Have you seen it?
Okay, try it now. Let's see. Sorry, I wasn't.
Okay. I picked another one now. Okay, let me pick another one again.
All right, perfect. At least we can see the communication.
Yes.
All right.
Yes. Yes.
But there was an assignment you were supposed to present yesterday, man.
Which
You have
one?
you have already skipped that one, right?
No, yeah. No, I'll go back. Oh, you see, when I was doing this one today, honestly, I was so happy. I had to go through the video for the first time again. Understand? I was so happy. Honestly, every other outstanding one, I will go and do them. Even on this one now, what I did, I was not even copying and pasting the formulas. I was just doing it one
So that you
just to get
cannot,
used
so
to
that you
it.
can understand it. Wow, that is
Yeah, and to get used to it. And I am so happy that I did it.
all right.
Because I won't forget it again. No, I won't be skipping any assignment again. I will not do that.
All right. because we will
Yes,
start
I'll try.
finding those people that are not doing the assignment very soon. From next.
Yes, so honestly, and you know, you said if we come today, if we didn't do it, I will not do anything. I don't know, maybe that was what pushed me.
No,
Because I was
you have already encouraged me. Even if all that did not do, I will continue with the class. But I will find them. So share your
okay.
screen. Let me ask Ngozi, or let me start with Mercy. I believe Mercy have something to show us today.
Okay. Okay.
Mercy, please
Thank
kindly share your screen. Welcome. Mercy, if you can hear us, please kindly share your screen. Welcome. I don't think she's here. Okay.
Good evening, sir.
Good afternoon.
I'm here.
Okay, share your screen. Let's see. Do you have anything for us?
Yes, sir, but on the process, I couldn't get some things, sir, but let me share it.
Share your screen. Let's see the one you get. Ngozi, get ready. I'll be coming on your screen soon. Why I skipped you is that Mercy has been promising me all this while, so I needed to see her own first before she will escape this. Okay.
Okay, so I'm here.
So what?
Sorry, sir.
Okay.
Well, my problem here is just that when I start doing this, I couldn't remember how you were copying them and pasting and were changing the numbers. That was just the only challenge I had.
Okay, Mrs. Oye, please, can you help me to explain to her?
Please, I will appreciate it,
Okay.
please.
Okay, let's see. Okay, so
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, so when you click on, okay, first of all, copy this formula up here on the formula toolbar. Abby, hope I'm getting the name.
Yeah.
It's up there now. That formula, copy it. Up.
That's Control C.
No, the formula. Up.
Okay, this
yes,
formula here.
Formula bar. Yes, copy it.
Okay.
Okay.
I've copied it.
Then click on country.
Huh?
Click on the country where you want to output the country values.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
Then go to the go to the formula bar again and paste it. Paste what you copied.
I should paste it.
Paste what you copied.
I've done that.
No, there is this equal to D10 that is there. I don't know.
Okay, this
you need to delete everything again. Yeah. So this whole formula now from what we did before is the same thing for all the results we want to output. But no, you are typing it again.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, it's the same for everything, for all the formula we want to output. But if you go back to
my problem is just to copy and paste. Those copy and paste, that is just so. I know that it's the same thing.
Okay, you know how to change the numbers to get the answers you want.
I know how to change, just that copy and paste.
Okay, this copy now. You've pasted this one, so change it to 3 and enter. It will output.
Okay, I'll click on the one I want.
Yes, paste the result, the formula on the formula bar.
Okay.
Then change it to 3.
It wasn't responding before now.
Oh, then enter.
Yeah, when I was doing it, it wasn't responding.
Oh, maybe it's because of that equal to D something that came out. Maybe you didn't take note.
Maybe I didn't take note of it.
Yes.
Okay, that was the only challenge I had.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you. Yes.
All right.
Sir, thank you, sir.
That is why it is good to attempt assignment. You can see that if you have not started, someone will not be able to guide you. Please, Mercy, you are owing me a lot of assignments. Before the next class,
sorry,
the
sir.
assignment should be ready. Go back and
Okay,
watch
sir.
all those videos and do all their respective assignments. I don't know why
Okay,
Mr.
sir.
Alfred is not here.
He called me, oh, sir. He called that he traveled and is not with his laptop where he is. That he will not be able to join the class.
But he will join the next one.
Yes, sir. But he said before then, before the next class, he will submit all his assignments.
Okay. Now, let me also explain something here. Most of those, including himself and other people joining from outside the country, they have been submitting their assignments via WhatsApp. And at times, they also attach the observation. So I want every one of us to be doing the same. So
okay,
which means that going forward, you should assemble all your observation either in PowerPoint or Word. So when you are sending the Excel sheets where you must have done your assignment, you attach your observation. Let's start learning how to identify or apply observation at the end of each of our analysis. This is very important. Now, outside that,
I ask a question?
Okay, go ahead.
You know, when we were selecting the array, whatever, table array or what, we did the Control V down to the end, as in under the column. I don't know whether we did that row wise in case if they introduce another this thing, will it work? Or we are just doing it based on this 14 whatever that we have.
No. What I did is I actually went beyond the area I have my data. You can expand it to create room for future entry. It's allowed.
And you mean the headers? You did it both ways?
Yes.
Okay.
So that once they bring in new headers tomorrow, it will capture it.
Okay.
To allow it. So what you need to do now is that maybe before the next class, just try it and see. Then you add the new header after you have done the whole design. You see that they'll be captured. Okay. So like I wanted to also inform us that most of this work that you are doing, that is why you compiling the observation is very important. Remember the order. Just like when I introduced us to cargo, you saw how they documented. You saw how they documented the data sets. You were able to understand. They started by explaining the type of data down to explaining the attributes, which are the headers, before previewing the data structure. So that was able to guide us to know what the data comprises of before we downloaded and unzip. So you see, those data you are downloading from cargo, they are people's projects. They are executed projects which they uploaded for probably as portfolio. So that is why you can see the way they actually organize the information about the data. So what I'm saying is that you can copy that format. You can actually go there and get some of these hints how to start your presentation. Your presentation starts by introducing yourself in writing. This time around, you are not saying it verbally. Then followed by introducing the type of data set you are working with. Then explain the features, that is the headers, in the data set. Tell us how many rows or records are in the data set. And then you will now go to the aspect of defining the possible analysis question. And then you show us where you have answered all the questions, which becomes your observation. And then where it's needed for you to also project your recommendation, you do the same. Now you keep that, you save that in a folder, because once I am done with Excel, before I go into Python, I am going to pause for like a whole weekend class to teach us how to build portfolio, so that most of these works you are doing, you can now start, uploading them in those platforms we are going to establish for remote job seeking. Remember, it's part of it. This is training and mentorship. So the reason why I hold on for a while is that even if we create those platforms like LinkedIn and the rest of them, most of us have not done anything tangible that you can actually upload to showcase that this is what I have done. So that is why I want to hold on until we are done with Excel. So while we are in Python, then you can start uploading all these assignments, including other ones you probably give yourself. So please, let's keep all our information intact. I believe that message is passed so that we can proceed with our class.
Yes.
Okay, Ngozi, please kindly share your screen. Let me just see what you have done there quickly. Is she still here? Ngozi, please share your screen. Let's see what you have done. If you have not attempted the one of yesterday, let me know so that I can move on. Hopefully, maybe before the next class, you must have gone through the video and be able to present something to us. So Ngozi here.
Ngozi is here.
Please, you have to respond promptly, please. We don't have time. Did you make attempts on yesterday's assignment, just like what they are presenting?
Yes, I did.
Quickly, let's see what you were able to come up with. Share your screen.
I
please.
did.
Share your screen.
I'm sharing. Can you see it now?
Okay, so can you expand it? Expand. Good. All right, so I think you got stuck the same place Messi got stuck.
Yes, copy is a problem for me.
Okay, copy is a problem. But me, yes. I'm not going to explain that copy again. You know why?
No, sir.
You don't know why? But they were explaining it to someone that have the same challenge you are facing. Well, are you not supposed to observe it? So
yes, but I have more challenge. That's why I have more challenge.
Which other challenge do you have outside this one?
Okay, fine. Yes, in my own data, that ID, other ID that you use. If you watch my own is other date.
Yeah, which is
other ID now.
Which is possible.
This other ID has repeated numbers there. So I couldn't use it. So I used this other date.
Okay.
So, and now, I don't know, I'm looking at the date. Look at how the date is appearing inside this box.
Okay, just hold on.
But then when you click it like this, it will appear like this.
Yes. Now, let's solve the problem. This is a good problem. These are the kind of problem we pray for so that we can learn. Because if you do not use this now, because the scenario I did not use dates. So you can as well use dates. Now, if you are using dates, your communication is that you are going to select or filter record based on what? Selected dates. Now, why you are not seeing that dates being translated the standard format is because of the way it is configured by default. So see what you are going to do. Select that value date, select the date, the cell where you have it, just click on it.
Yeah.
Now right click on it, just right click. All right,
Okay.
now hold on. You will see where you have format cell. Go down, you see format cell, click on it. Click. Now it will bring you here. Now click on dates. It is under general. That's why you are seeing the date interpreted as number. Now choose any format. In fact, stay on that first format. Just click OK. Just click OK. Just click OK. Good. So that is how to solve it. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So whenever it happens to anybody, please, that is how to solve it.
Okay.
All right. So now the copy is for you to adopt the solution Mrs. Franca provided to Mercy. So I will try and also upload this assignment section. So in case you want to go through it, so that I can continue.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so let me stop this. I will upload that if you